Hey awesome learners, welcome to Image AI Quick ML tutorial series. In this part, we are going to just explore the awesome thing in Image AI. Okay, so what is that? That is the object detection. Till now, what we have done, we have predicted the object inside an image. Okay, we have just shown the output inside the command prompt. That is not the real world, I think. The more graphical we will go, the more interest we will catch. Okay, so this is what the interest. So object detection, what is object detection? Okay, so when you are passing a image to the model, model sees it, model look at the image. Okay, then model predict that this much of region is a region for dog. Okay, let me just show you. This is a page. Okay, so from here to here, the model will predict that this is a text. Okay, so like that model will predict, and model will draw bounding boxes. Model will draw a bounding box and label it as this is a text area. Okay, so that is the real part of object detection. So let's do that. After that we'll discuss everything. Okay, so let me first copy the. I should create another project. Okay, that will be very much useful for you, because it is using another weights. Okay, ResNet, YOLO and Tiny YOLO. Okay, so it is using another versions, another weights, another models, because look, image prediction uses another models, and image object detection use another model. Means different model. Okay, so for object detection, let me just create another project folder, new folder, that will be object, sorry, object detection. Okay, I have smart tools, our, okay, here I will be creating models, and inside models I am going to place my models. Sorry for I have not downloaded my model till now. Let me just choose Tiny Yellow for now. Tiny Yellow, let me just download that. Wow, our download was my speed is so good, I think. Okay, just so in folder. Okay, I want to copy the file from here, and I will paste it inside my models. Okay, okay, I have pasted the model now. So here I will be creating another Python file. This is my project folder, by the way. So here I am going to object detection dot py. Fine. Okay, dot txt, you should erase dot txt. Okay, I have just created object detection dot py. Let me open it on code. First command prompt, I will open command prompt, then code space dot. This will open code on current working directory, that is our project directory. Okay, the code is opening. Okay, so our code is opened. Go to, okay, so we have to copy the code. Sorry, I will copy the code first. Okay, control C, alt tab, control B. Okay, okay, we get the code. Fine, pretty fine. Then we are going to discuss on each and every points. Okay, okay, we have pasted the code. Let me just discuss on the code. First we have imported all the required packages, then we have just get the current working directory, then we have just instantiated the object detection. Okay, so object detection is the class what we are going to use for object detection. And the detector, we have set the model type as Tiny Yellow version 3. We have the set model path hatch model slash yellow, where we have store our model. Okay, then we have load the model. The finally we have detection. We have just calling the detect object from image method. to detect object from the image, and we have passed the images to .jpg. Okay, 2.jpg is not inside our image folder. We will store it after some time. Let me first make you understand all the code. Then output image path. Okay, what is output image path? Look, it will detect image first, then it is going to save the image to the output image path. So output image path will be the path and the name of the image. Okay, we are giving the name of the image as image to new.jpg. Okay, then we have defined the minimum percentage probability. Look what happened when our model looks at the image, it will predict with percentage of probability. Okay, it may guess this is a ball of 10% probability. It thinks, the model thinks that, this is a ball, I think this is a ball, this is 10%. I think I am confident on 10%. Okay, I am 10% confident, I am 20% confident, I am 30% confident, I am 90% confident. Okay, so minimum confident which we want to show, that is 30%. If the prediction minimum percentage is above 30%, then it will draw the bounding box. Okay, then finally we have just print all the stops for our console, because this will print everything on our console, but the image will save on the output image path. Okay, that's all about image detection. Let me show you the demo. First, let me just collect 2.jpg and paste it inside my project folder. Okay, now let me just paste a image inside our folder. That will be this image. Okay, I am just moving this image and I am giving it the name as 2.jpg. Okay, pretty fine. Now run the model. I will run the model. Okay, just I will hit upper arrow and hit enter. Sorry, upper arrow means I have written the code python object detection.py. Okay, I have run the python file. So let's wait. It will first going to pass the image and it will draw the bounding box on image, whichever object it detects. Then it is going to write another image inside our project folder, and then it is going to show us the output on command prompt. You can look here. Here there will be another new image will be created here. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, it got a lots of levels. Okay, so let me show you the image. Wow, look at the image. It have detected this one as person, this is a truck, this is a bicycle, this is a bicycle, this is persons. It have detected a lot of things from a single image. Okay, that's what a image object detection can do. Okay, that's all about how we are going to perform image object detection or using image AI.